Alright fans, we're back from our break. Next I'd like to talk to you about Death taking on the Raging Bull. Now, we've seen the feud between these two. It began when they met each other a while back. Death beat the Raging Bull, hit him over the head with his hockey mask, whatever you call it he wears. Since then, the feud has really brewed. Both men seem to attack each other every time they finish a match. Pearl Harbor jobs back and forth. Well, tonight, finally, this feud will be settled. The biggest grudge match, I think, of the card will be tonight. Right now, I want to take you some little highlight we did a while back. I tell you, I never did anything more scary in my life than what I did that night. I don't know where we were. All I know is, wait till you see this footage, fans. I mean, it was unbelievable. Me and Jeff, we both were quite terrified. I'm going to take you right now to some footage of me and the one and only Death at the Hillside Cemetery. Let's take a look. Alright fans, here we are. Hillside Cemetery, and I don't know now. Jeff? Forget it.
Go.
Let's go back. Come on.
Go.
This is ridiculous. Hey, I don't think he may not even be out here.
He's out there.
Where? I don't see nothing. Death! Death!
Back me up, John. I got your back. This is going to be a really serious situation.
Death! What in the name? Death! Are you out there?
I think we should turn around.
That's what I'm saying.
I think we should go back.
I don't think...
There he is! Come on down.
Oh my...
Continue.
Oh, this is ridiculous.
This is the
I'm very sorry. Death... What's this?
Welcome to my home.
I don't believe it. This is the Hillside Cemetery. The home of Death. I know. Well, Death, we got the directions right anyway. We found it. I want to have a few words with you about your big match coming up with the Raging Bull.
Yes.
Now, oh my God. Now then, we've seen the history of the feud between you two. Pearl Harbor jobs. You keep attacking each other every time one wins a match. Why? Why does everybody keep attacking each other?
I just want the Raging Bull. I want his soul.
His soul. What are you doing over there? What was this? What is this? What? What is that? Death, what is that over there in that bag? Huh?
Reminder.
Well, that's my job, Death. I gotta find out.
I'm preparing a place for the Raging Bull.
The Raging Bull?
Yes.
I mean, you act like the man's gonna die or something. It's only a wrestling match.
He will die.
Die?
He shall be my soul.
Death, you're taking this a little bit too far, Death.
Where I get my power from.
Death, you're taking this a little bit too far. It's just a wrestling match.
No.
No, wait a minute.
No one can leave.
Get out of here.
No, I think we should stay.
Leave. I know. Everybody must die sometime.
You don't want to be laying with
Yeah, that's true. Hopefully in old age, though.
No.
Raging Bull's a young man.
I've already died. The Raging Bull must die as well. If he wants to face me, he must understand the dark side and the mysteries of the unknown.
Last time you met was a tag team match. You tagged up with the bad boy. He tagged up with the bad apple. You guys won the match. Raging Bull was very angry at the end of the match because he said you cheated.
You know something? I don't care much for tag matches. All I want to do is polarize and kill and maim and bury any opponent I have.
Well, we've seen you do that to many opponents.
Yes.
You are still undefeated.
Yeah, and the only reason I took that match was because I felt I could also have the bad apple at the same time. I could have taken them both on at the same time myself. I did not need no fat bad boy with me. I align myself with no one. I am evil. I am the core of all destruction. I am the ultimate. I don't want a title. I just want to kill everybody that lives. Because you see, I am dead, and I get lonely. These are all my souls. Look around. All these were my opponents at one time.
You're saying that all these graves right here, you put them all here?
Do you not believe me?
I don't know. I'm not saying I don't know what to think, fans. This is just crazy.
The ultimate goal and objective in life is to know what the mysteries of the other side are. Don't you ever sit awake at night and wonder?
Well, sometimes.
Yes, it is ultimate.
Place is incredible.
The power is so
Wait a minute.
incredible. You don't understand the power. I walk with the dead. I know, I see. No one can harm me. I can do whatever I want. I can have whatever I wish.
But Raging Bull, I have to give this man a lot of credit. I mean,
He's a fool. He does not understand. He lives in a materialistic world. You all die. You all leave everything behind. He does not understand what it is like to walk among the dead.
maybe you're going to have to show him.
He will. Come Superstar Showdown. He will. He will.
Well, you two have met before. He says you cheated by hitting him with that thing you're wearing, that mask.
This
Knocking him out. He said you cheated.
face. This is my face.
Your face.
My face.
I've seen that thing come off before.
My face. I'm dead, Scott. I can take my arm
Dead?
for you. Do you want me to?
That's quite all right. I think we've seen enough of this.
Yes, well,
Jeff,
I just wanted you to come here to understand the powers.
I
The
understand.
powers of all. I am
Sure,
the
Dad.
ultimate, the everlasting. And I will rule until everybody in the MPWA is dead. And then they will become my followers. And then maybe
Everybody dead?
everybody, even you, Scott.
Oh,
Don't worry. You
What?
have some time.
oh,
You all must come back to my house again. Please.
oh.
Please, everyone.
I'm okay. We'll be back. I promise, Death. We'll be back. Come on, let's go. All right, fans, we're back now. In a few moments, I'm going to try to get a few words with Hot Body Brown. Tonight, he fights the Rockin' Rebel in the main event. Sources say if Rockin' Rebel loses tonight, he will retire from the NPWA. I'll find more from Hot Body. He should be coming here a few short minutes away. Hopefully I can get a word with him. But this will finally end the feud of the Rockin' Rebel. His second match only since coming back from the NPWA. Hot Body,
Get out of my seat.
out of your seat.
Get out of my seat.
Well, I don't
This is
see
my
your name.
chair.
I don't see your name written on it. Hey, you don't have to abuse me like that.
You know, I got a big match coming up tonight. I don't need stuff from you. You told me to do an interview. I'll do an interview for you, all right? What do you want to talk about? You started this whole situation.
I started it. How did I
You
start
did.
it? How did
You
I
start-
started it. You gave me a contract and said go find anybody. Well, I did.
Exactly. 4 weeks ago, this little puke gave me a contract to have signed. I told you anybody. I didn't say the Rockin' Rebel, though.
You said anybody. Why not the Rockin' Rebel? That's what I don't understand. Why not?
Does the Rockin' Rebel deserve a title shot in the NPW?
You said anybody.
No.
Well, I mean, he has been gone a long time from the injury, but we've seen his return match. You tried to interfere. Tell me about that.
I didn't try and
knew you were
interfere.
up to something that
I
day.
didn't try and interfere.
What were you doing down at ringside?
I went out to see just what the man had to offer. I went out there when he was wrestling that no good blue. Who was he wrestling there?
Fats McCoy.
He wasn't wrestling Fats McCoy.
That was Fats McCoy.
The Rockin' Rebel was wrestling.
Right, it was Fats McCoy. Don't you know the wrestlers in the
Pay
NPWA?
attention to those types of wrestlers in the NPWA. As far as I'm concerned, I pay attention to the top-notch opposition.
He beat
Those
Fats
are the
McCoy.
Cramps. The people.
Cramps?
Yes, those are the top contenders.
They're not top contenders. They've never won a match in their whole entire life. Cramp.
Well,
Listen.
you started this. Tonight, I'm going into that ring. I'm going to annihilate the Rockin' Rebel. He's going to be done. The Rockin' Rebel is going to be history.
You sound like Tom the G. You're really overconfident.
I don't care what I sound like. I'm Hot Body Brown. That's me. No imitations. It's me, Hot Body Brown. This belt, I won this belt fair and square. You know that 3 months ago, do you not?
Yep. And who did you beat in the semifinals? The Rockin' Rebel?
The Rockin' Rebel.
By putting your
once.
by putting your foot on the rope.
I didn't
Referee
put
did not.
my
The
foot on
referee did
what
not
are
see
you
it.
Talking about? I did not.
Referee
I
did not
pinned
see
him. 1, 2, 3. It was done. He should have been out. There was no more. Don't get me mad. I've got a game plan tonight. I got to stay focused. Don't make me lose my composure.
All right. Let's talk about the retirement. What is this about the retirement? what have you heard about Rockin' Rebel? If he loses, he will
Rockin'
retire.
Rebel's gonna retire before his match tonight and not wrestle Hot Body Brown. I've
Hey.
heard it from very good.
No, he will be wrestling
No,
you.
he won't. I guarantee. I don't know. I heard he's gonna retire. Yes, before his match. Why is he gonna wrestle me? Why is he gonna
He
go?
wants
in
to
that
win
ring?
this. He wants to become the second NPWA champion.
But he can't. He's the Rockin' Rebel, and I'm Hot Body Brown. That's the difference between him and I.
Well, he looks in great shape since his return.
Yeah.
He beat Fats
Why
McCoy.
was he out? Huh? What did he
Leg injury. He tripped on a rope and twisted his ankle against Tom the G in the headring.
pretty much tells me what a klutz I'm dealing
Klutz?
with tonight. Let me tell you, Scott. Tonight, at the Superstar Showdown, I want everybody to tune in at 9 o'clock and watch me annihilate in the main event the so-called #1 contender, the Rockin' Rebel. He wants this. Well, Scott, he's not going to get this. I'm going to go in that ring, and I'm going to tear him apart limb from limb and put him out of this sport where he belongs if he does wrestle me, because I know he's going to retire before his match.
If he loses, he will retire. If he loses.
You know, Scott, I got some artwork on me, but I drew a little
Well-
picture for you.
First of all, we're going to take a quick commercial break, and then we'll come back and you show me this
No, we're
artwork.
not going to take a quick commercial
Well, we
break.
have to.
Did I say we're going to take a commercial break?
Well, that's-
Hot Body Brown
that's-
is here. You
we-
called me out for an interview.
I know.
Now you're going to take a break. I've got something to show you. We're not going to take a
We
break.
gotta take. We gotta.
No, we are not going to take a break. The NPWA champion is here, and I've got to get going pretty soon.
I know. It
Go
won't
to
be.
the arena. I'm running late as it is.
We only have a few
I
minutes
have no
left.
reason to show up. What do you mean a few minutes left?
Yes. Well, when we take our break,
No, we're not going to take a break. I'm going to show you my artwork. It was in my pocket because that's really the only place he belongs in. And,
What is this?
It might not look so good, but that's the way the Rebel looks, you know what I mean?
what is
This
this?
is a picture of
Give me a break.
the Rockin' Rebel.
Give me a break, will you please, Hot Body Brown?
Come on, look at that.
That is disgusting. What is this supposed to be?
Rebel.
I don't believe it.
I'm so embarrassed. Hot Body's the best. I should retire. That's before the match, Rockin' Rebel.
That's despicable, Hot Body.
Because when I get you in that ring and I punch you in your face
Oh,
and
please.
beat you and beat you and beat you and,
Please, Hot Body.
and I put you in, all you gotta do is count 1, 2, 3, done! Rockin' Rebel is done! He's done!
I don't believe it.
Go to your break!
All right, fans,
I'm
we'll
going
be...
to my match!
Please, Hot Body. We'll be
All
back,
right,
fans.
after
We're
this,
back from our break. Look, take a look at this, fans. Jeff, get a close-up of this. Look at this. I mean, how despicable can you get? I'm so embarrassed. Hot Body, he's the best. He says I should retire. What? I mean, this is despicable. Hot Body, he's not an artist, for one thing. Jeez. I mean, look at that. Horrible artwork. I mean, Rockin' Rebel, that's going to make him more fired up for tonight, the match, I'll tell you that much. But it looks like if Rockin' Rebel does lose, he will retire. I don't know. I have faith in him. I think he's going to win tonight, personally. How about...
What are you still doing here? Shouldn't you be at the showdown?
Well, that's
what are you
right.
Doing saying that I can't, I don't know my art. This is
That does not look like the Rockin' Rebel.
This is the art. This
Look at
is
his
the
teeth. He's got no teeth.
This is the best it gets, Scott. And as far as I'm concerned, you can have that as a little
Oh,
reminder
please.
of what's left of the Rockin' Rebel when I get done with him tonight at Superstar Showdown. I'm on my way. I don't have time for you, and I don't have time for the Rebel. I'm out of here.
Good luck to you, Hot Body, in your match tonight anyway. But,
My driver.
oh, jeez. I'm still going for the Rockin' Rebel, fans. You know, Jeff, we're the only ones left in here. It's about 8 o'clock. I think we better get going and get down to Superstar Showdown. Forget this picture. Fans, we're 1 hour away, 9 o'clock tonight. Do not miss it. Superstar Showdown. I gotta get out of here now. I'm on my way to the showdown right now. Stay tuned, 9 o'clock tonight, NPWA's Superstar Showdown.